everybody, I'm Faye, course leader for psychology at Rochdale Sixth Form College, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about psychology and what it will be like to study psychology at the college. So first of all, what is psychology? Many people believe that psychology is about reading minds, but this isn't the case. Psychology is the scientific study of the human mind and human behaviour. Now, you don't need to study psychology at school in order to study it at college, and in fact, lots of students at Rochdale Sixth Form College haven't studied it before, and I'm sure it will soon become one of your favourite subjects. These are a few of the topics that you will study during your time at Rochdale Sixth Form College. For example, memory, social psychology, relationships, addiction, and attachment. Now, let's have a look at some of those in a little more detail. Social psychology looks into how other people can affect the way that we behave. For example, why do some people obey authority figures and others do not? And why do some people conform and go along with the crowd? Psychopathology is the study of mental health disorders. We focus on depression, OCD, and phobias. We look at what they are, different causes, and also different treatments available to individuals. This is just a quick snapshot of the interesting topics that you will study over the 2 years. At Rochdale Sixth Form College, you will study AQA A-Level Psychology. This covers a broad range of topics, and you will complete 3 2-hour exams at the end of the 2-year course, which you will be prepared for during your psychology lessons. If you'd like to find out more about the AQA specification or look at examples of past papers, you can do so by following the link www.aqa.org.uk. Each psychology lesson can differ. You'll look at psychological research and also build skills ready for your exams, and you'll also get the opportunity to share your ideas and opinions with each other. There will be opportunities to bring your psychology course to life through trips or events that the department runs. One example of this is the opportunity to take part in Brain Day. This session is run by Dr. Sutton, who will provide you with an overview of how the brain works and its structure. The session is centred on the dissection of a real sheep's brain. You will have the opportunity to have a closer look at various parts of the brain to gain knowledge of which areas of the brain control certain mental processes. So what could studying psychology lead to in the future? A qualification in psychology can lead to many different career paths, and one of the most obvious ones that people think about is a psychologist. However, it can lead to other careers such as counselling, teaching, marketing, social work, police work, medicine, and many more. Psychology can enhance skills and knowledge needed for pretty much any job that involves working with people. Now that you have an overview of what the course will look like over the 2 years, I thought it would be nice for you to be able to meet the psychology team and see who we all are. So here is Asma. She is subject lead of social sciences, which is psychology, sociology, and health and social care, and myself, Faye, course leader of psychology. Here's the rest of the team. As you can see, psychology is a big department, so as well as your class teacher, there are also lots of other staff that can support you should you need or want it. So from this video, you may have noticed that one of the topics we study in psychology is research methods. A research method is a tool used by a psychologist in order to investigate human behaviour. For example, an observation, a questionnaire, or an experiment. In the 1960s, a famous observation was created called the marshmallow task. This looked at children's ability to have deferred gratification. Deferred gratification is the ability to resist temptation for an immediate reward in preference for a later reward. So in this observation, children were given a marshmallow and told not to eat it whilst the researcher left the room. They were told if they didn't eat it, they could have another marshmallow when the researcher returns. I would like you to consider, do you think the children will eat the marshmallow, and what might influence whether the child eats it? The children did not know that they were being recorded and their parents gave consent. Do you think their behaviour may change if they knew they were being recorded? And how might this hinder the study? Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you've enjoyed it and learned a little more about psychology and what it will be like to study psychology at Rochdale Sixth Form College. We've also put together a psychology preparation pack that you can complete over the summer. This will give you more of an insight into psychology and also help to maintain your study skills, and it's available on the college website. I'd just like to say on behalf of myself and the rest of the team that we're really looking forward to meeting you in September and welcoming you to the college.